guys, Tom from Car Culture Australia, and I've got Tyrone, and I've got one of the naughtiest little E30s sitting right here at the Hot Imports Night. Tyrone, man, how you going?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, really well, man. This is possibly one of the smoothest, nicest looking cars I've ever seen. Can you tell me what is going on here?
So this is a 1989 E30 318i with a lift-to-a-fan wide body and also a LS1.
Who did the work?
Brintech Custom supplied the engine and the swap kit, and then I did the motor swap with my mate in his garage. And then Concept Garage, who I'm parked with here, did the bodywork. Mercedes Bodyworks did the paint.
Nice.
Yeah.
Let's go walk around the side of the car, man, because it's not just the front that it just is kind of breathtaking, but it's also the rest of the car. And I've got to ask, man, the wheels. Tell me what's going on with the wheels.
The wheels are custom 3-piece forged by Heritage Wheels. I think the specs on them are 17 by 9.5 on the front, negative 35 offset. The rears are 17 by 11, negative 60 offset on the rear. They're nice.
Nice. Well, can we get in the car?
Yeah. Sorry, it's a bit tight in here.
Oh, bro. I've been in and out of cars today, so it's all good. So, bro, I've got to ask, there's obviously a bit of the OEM style that's going on in here. Is this something that you feel like represents your personality and this is what you wanted?
I wanted the interior to stay OEM, I guess. I didn't want to go too fancy on anything, even the radio. I tried to keep it as OEM as possible.
I feel like it kind of fits. It's really deceiving because the outside looks like it could be built in the future.
Yeah.
But the inside, it's quite deceiving. But at the same time, man, what type of power are you pushing in this car?
So because the engine was fully rebuilt, I'm still on a running tune. So it's 235 kilowatt at the wheel at the moment. I'm hoping to push more power later, but yeah, it's 235 is enough for this car at the moment.
Fair enough. I agree with that. I can dig that. I got a really good question for you, man. What does car culture mean to you today?
Car culture, I guess it's about people getting together, having a good time, appreciating all sorts of builds, whether it's for track, stancy car, everyone getting together.
And is there anyone that you want to mention as that sort of helps the car community and what you do and what you loved?
So I hang around with the station build guys and girls a lot. They're just literally a bunch of friends who come together, have meets, have like barbecues and stuff with cars, and their builds range from Euros to JDMs, AUDM, everything. So it's all very inclusive. They're a friendly bunch of people.
Out of curiosity, who's the one who decided to bring the TV and the PlayStation? Because that is possibly one of the most genius ideas I've thought I could ever think of coming to an event.
Yeah, I think it was Julius. He's, I guess, the founder, owner. I mean, there's just a bunch of friends who like come together. So actually, I don't know whose idea it was. I assume it was Julius's idea. Yeah.
Fair enough. Well, you've given me some ideas here, Tyrone, man. This is the absolute best. I fully understand why this car is at Hot Imports Night. It is absolutely amazing, and I'm sure you're really impressed with it.
Thank you so much. Yeah, it's okay.
Too easy, man. Thank you.
Thank you.